How to change bank on Cash App. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. In today's video, I'll simply guide you on how you can go ahead and then change your bank account on Cash App. So just make sure to watch this video till the end. So in order to actually change your bank account on Cash App, it's very simple. All you have to do is just go ahead and then launch the Cash App on your phone. And if you've actually linked a bank before, of course, you'd be able to find them. Tap on the profile icon from the top right and you'll find the option called Linked Banks. You just want to make sure to tap on it. When you go to Linked Banks, basically you'll be able to see all the debit card and bank that you've actually added. And when you tap on that bank, you'd basically find the option called Change Bank or Replace Bank. And when you tap on Replace Bank, it should be able to go ahead and then simply ask you to confirm it, and then you should be able to go ahead and then change your bank account in that way. If you want to link a new bank account, just tap on Link Debit Card, or you can just go ahead and enter your debit card number. If you don't have debit card, just tap on the No Card option and you can directly link your bank in that way. That's all it takes to go ahead and replace a new bank account on the Cash App. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.